Once upon a time, a cat and a fox were walking together through the forest. As they strolled, they began to boast about their abilities and cleverness. The fox, being proud and cunning, said, "I have a whole bag full of tricks to escape my enemies. I am incredibly clever and can handle any situation." The cat, on the other hand, humbly replied, "I have only one trick, but it always works for me. I climb a tree to escape danger." The fox scoffed at the cat's simplicity. "One trick? That's nothing compared to my countless strategies. When trouble comes, I can confuse any predator with my wit." As they talked, a pack of hunting dogs suddenly appeared, rushing toward them. The cat immediately sprang into action and climbed the nearest tree, safely out of the dog's reach. She perched on a high branch and looked down at the fox, who was frantically trying to decide which trick to use. The fox tried running, hiding, and doubling back, but none of his tricks worked. Eventually, the dogs caught him. From her safe perch, the cat said, "It seems my one simple trick is better than all your clever ideas." Moral of the story: simplicity and efficiency often outsmart overcomplicated plans. This story reminds us that sometimes having a reliable and straightforward solution is better than relying on a multitude of untested options.